Hello students, welcome to the next class of computer. So now we'll read about the cell referencing. As I told you last class, there are three kinds of cell reference. One altogether it is four kinds. That is first of all your relative reference. So relative reference, what it is, that we will see now. So first of all, whenever we are working with a worksheet, suppose for example you supposed to add three numbers. This one, which one you are typed in the cell. Okay. This one, it is a C1 51, C2 72 and C3 it is 24. These are the cell addresses. Okay, cell addresses by which you want to, suppose you want to add together. So what you will do here? So you will keep your cell pointer here where the answer you like to see. Okay, that is your C4. This is the address, is the C4. Okay, cell pointer you keep here by using the arrow keys. Okay, after typing the numbers, thereafter here what you will do, equal in the formula bar, your equal sign by typing, you have to write the formula. What formula you write? That is C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, equal sign by typing. Then press enter key. Press enter key. So here press enter key. When you press it, then automatically answer will come here. Okay, this answer of these numbers 7 and this one 9 and 14. 147 it will appear automatically here. Okay, as soon as you press the enter key here. This is your formula bar, no? So here cell address to be typed. Suppose you want again the same formula with different set of numbers. Suppose here these three number also there is. Okay, here also there is three number 24, 25, 26. Okay, so you want to see the same formula addition you want to perform with these three number, but cell address is different. So there is a provision in our Excel by which the same formula can be copied. Formula here, what formula you have written? This one C1, C2, C3. Okay, in between them plus sign is there. When different set of numbers you want to perform the same formula, then automatically computer will change the cell address, but operator will remain same. Okay, that is called your relative reference. Okay, cell addresses will be changed automatically. Okay, and as for the new value where it is there, so according to their cell address it will be changed, but operator whatever you are given, that operator will remain same. So that one, it is called your relative. Whenever you want, then it can be performed so. So what you will do here? So how can it is possible? So you already 147 it is there. Formula already you are given here. So what you will do here? Now you keep your cell pointer. So say this one here, and thereafter you copy option you select, copy, that is your in the top you see, click on the copy button in the clipboard group of the home tab. So here you see clipboard, here one option is there, copy option. Okay, clipboard. Okay, that is your home tab. It is in the home tab, the copy option is there. So copy option you select. Okay, select the cell 3. So this one first, before that you have to keep your cell pointer here and select it. Click the mouse button once. Okay, thereafter here it will be selected. This cell you have to select, not the entire. This one to be select only. Then after selecting, go to the copy option from the clipboard, and from here copy option after selecting, then you take your cell pointer to new location. Here you want to see the answer of these three number. Okay, so what you do, then here you keep your cell pointer now. After pressing the copy option, after applying the copy option, cell pointer you transfer by arrow key, transfer to here, and here you will see, then cell pointer after that, then again you go to this clipboard part here. Here one paste option is there. Okay, home tab, under the home tab you will see one paste option is there. So that paste option you click, select the, by mouse pointer you select the this paste option, then automatically you will see the formula here, whatever you are typed, this cell only it will be changed, the cell addresses will be changed, but operator will remain same. So when you paste option will apply, then automatically this formula, this is the F1, no? So it will become F1, it will become F1, this one F2, then this one will become F3. Okay, it automatically will change, and total automatically of this number, okay, 5, okay, thereafter 4, 6, 7, 75 it will come. So this is called your what? Relative reference. Relative reference means what? When a formula, same formula to be applied with another set of value, then that we can copy the formula to another set, and whereas the cell addresses only it will be changed automatically by the computer, but operator will remain same. So that option, that method, it is called what? Relative reference. So here suppose one more set of numbers like this manner, 3 numbers. You want to copy from here to here. I want to find out the total of these 3 numbers. So what will do? So here you keep your cell pointer. After keeping, go to the copy option from here, clipboard, select the copy, then automatically and before that cell pointer must be present here. Okay, cell pointer you take it to the here, then paste option you have to select from here. When you press the paste option, automatically these 3 values total it will come here, but the operator will remain same. This F1, F2, F3, this will be changed to H1, H2, H3. So this is called your what? Relative reference. Then next thing it is that absolute reference. Absolute reference, what it is? Absolute reference. Absolute reference. Okay. In the absolute reference, what? Just opposite of it. Just its opposite, it is called absolute reference. Suppose one value you want to keep constant always in everywhere. One formula cell you want to keep constant. Okay, so that case we are giving the that is called your absolute reference. So when you change the range or the formula will change, will go to the different set of value, that time the cell addresses will not change. So that is why it is called your absolute value. So in that case, for example, I am telling you, suppose here it is written 5, here it is written 10. So it is cell address is what? What is cell address? This is your F7. F7. Then this is your F7 plus F8. F8. So like this manner formula we are giving. Suppose I want to see answer here, then press enter key, then answer will get here automatically. But if you want to see the answer, the same value, cell address without changing answer, here also the same. So what you do here, $sign you have to give. $sign. F dollar. So that dollar means it will not change the location address. Your cell address F8. Thereafter F7, thereafter $F, this one, okay, 8. So like this manner we can give the cell address. Thank you.